Hello everyone, in this video let us take a look at a question that was asked on the community recently. So today I came across this question from Luca, and Luca is asking about template project. But the question is about the license or the inability of the user to create a project of type Jira software. So Luca is talking about that Luca installed Jira Core and Jira software, and then the problem here is that when Luca is trying to create a project, Luca is not able to see the project template of type agility, scrum, or bug tracking. And the reason here could be that although you have installed Jira software, but you may not have the license. So if I have to troubleshoot, I'll probably go to the applications the application section under Jira admin, and I'll probably take a look at my versions and licenses. So if you look at this section here, you can see that you have a license which should be installed, and that license should also be valid. So as you can see on this screen, my license is expiring within 1 day, both for Jira software and Jira service desk. At the same time, you also need to make sure that whether you have an evaluation license, or maybe you have maybe an actual license that you have purchased. But the important thing here is that you need to have a license, and that license should be valid. Then, of course, your Jira administrator, or if you have the Jira admin rights, should be able to create a project of that particular type in Jira. So this is all I wanted to share in this video, and I hope you learn and you saw and you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you very much.